Good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So today on the Traders Educator on Pound Yen, let's have a look. Market has taking steps, moving downwards, very bearish still on this Pound Yen. On the 4-hour chart, the market did break above and close above once, twice, alright, and 3 times. So it was on a very strong bullish trend. Right now the market has retraced downwards, breaking the support price over here has definitely weakened the bullish movement. If a break and close below the lower price at 134.27, then even on the 4-hour chart, this market may really turn very bearish. To the 1-hour chart, very interesting formation for harmonic pattern trader. Have you spotted anything yet? If not, pause the recording, try to spot it, and let's see. I'll be sharing my analysis very soon. Alright, so back to the daily chart. On the daily chart, nothing much on the daily chart on my analysis other than stepping downwards for a bearish movement, but there's no engagement based on my trading rule. To the 4-hour chart, a bearish bat pattern completing at 135.77 for a selling opportunity is still in place. It's still in place as long as the market did not break and close below the lower price at 134.25. Both it will invalidate my rules in this bat pattern as well as is a break of structure. So yep. To the 1-hour chart, are you ready? So on the 1-hour chart, there is a bullish shark formation. The only one opportunity at 134.04 for this tricky pattern that can give up to 3 potential buying zone. Alright, so at 134.04, traders who are looking for a harmonic shark pattern, you can wait for that. Or traders who want a aggressive buy is within this buy zone over here based on structure. So that's all I have for you today. If you love to see the development of this trade, join us live on Facebook at www.facebook.com/forexhundred.org. Till then, remember always, plan your trade and clear your plan, and I'll see you soon on Wednesday Facebook live session.